Guys, welcome back to BMW Blog, and this time welcome from Germany. I'm in Munich, and once again I'm here with the BMW M2 Mixed Reality. You might have seen our first video from Portugal, Lisbon, where I had a chance to drive this car. So what's the M2 Mixed Reality? It's actually a brand new BMW M2 with a twist. And that twist, it's the mixed reality piece. So basically, I'm gonna hop inside behind the wheel. I'm gonna be wearing this high-tech headset, a VR headset, and I'm gonna be driving the car without seeing anything in front of me. So basically, I'm gonna see a virtual track through the headset, but I won't be able to actually see the windshield. So it's quite a different experience because I will have a chance to actually see my hands steering the wheel. I will have a chance to actually see the controls on the dashboard. But when it comes to the actual layout of the road, it's all done through the VR headset. So quite different, quite unique. It takes a little bit of time to actually trust the car and imagine that you're actually on a virtual track versus on an actual road like right here. But of course, it's a safe environment, has been set up to test the car that way. So with that being said, come join me. Let's hop behind the wheel and I'm going to show you what it can do. All right, guys, so I'm inside the BMW M2 Mixed Reality. I'm here with Alex. You've seen him from the Portugal videos. This time we're in Maizok, near Munich, so a different type of layout than what we've experienced in Lisbon. So a little bit faster too, maybe? Slightly?
I'm not sure, because today it's very slippy.
Slippy, okay, so maybe we drift a little bit, slide a bit. All right. So once again, guys, this is a VR headset. It's a business grade headset, very expensive, 7,000 euros. It's extremely good because what I experienced the first time was the fact that I did not get dizzy at all, and just even driving, you know, drifting and going through corners and all of that, I did not feel at any point that I'm gonna be, you know, drowsy or dizzy and anything like that. So it's quite good. And once again, I can see my hands here, I can see the steering wheel, I can see all the controls here, but then of course on the projected in front of me through the VR headset will be a track layout. So that's kind of the idea here. It's quite cool. It takes a little bit of time to kind of get used to, right, to trust the car a little bit, because you really don't trust you actually too. So with that being said, let's give it a try.
You can follow the cones.
Follow the cones, all right.
Just
so
very slow, just focus the left ones, I would say, because
Perfect.
the right ones you can't see really good,
Okay.
because of all this camera stuff.
So once again, right now I'm still in the real world basically. So I can see the actual cones, I can see the actual track here, and then at some point it's gonna switch over to virtual reality.
Just straight ahead.
This is a time trial race. Each lap time counts individually. The fastest driver wins. Avoid holographic walls to receive a time bonus. Time coins are scattered around the track. For each coin you collect, you get a time bonus. Stop after each lap to complete your attempt. When you are ready, drive to the start line. Have fun.
We will have fun, so let's go to the start line.
1.
Go. Don't forget to brake.
Brake hard. Oh, you go to, okay, so right, okay.
How you feeling?
All right, so understeer a little bit. Let's get this. Ooh, we see that.
You got
Woo!
it. Don't forget to brake.
Brake hard. Sure, got that.
Here we are.
22.9. All right, one more run.
Lift up with the tires on.
Oh, you do have winter tires, yeah?
Braking.
Ooh, yeah, a little bit. And there's no grip there, honestly. With zero grip. Brake hard. Woo! Is that? There's no way. This is slow.
Here we are.
Terrible. 25.6.
That's it.
Ah. All right. So not too great, but definitely slippery. Super fun though. I mean, honestly, just gotta trust the car. So last lap or
No.
we're cool down?
Cool
That's
down.
it? All
You
right.
can do a cool down.
All right, guys, so once again, very unique experience. Honestly, you have to get behind the wheel to actually, see how it works. Alex, are we gonna see this car at CES?
And no.
No, okay, so this is probably the last time they're gonna have a chance. Not this year.
Next time, but
Gotcha.
this time not.
Well, hopefully in the future, actual, customers will have a chance to actually experience it because it's quite different, quite unique. It's better when somebody gets behind the wheel and actually try this, versus,
Absolutely.
me explaining this one.
It's hard to explain what to do.
It's very hard to explain. I mean, even if you use the B-roll, you try to show what you can see, it's absolutely different than when you actually drive.
Absolutely.
So very, very cool. All right, so you just saw the video, amazing experience. I had a chance to drift the car a little bit, go quite fast. It's absolutely mind-blowing. It's a unique approach on how to maybe experience a racetrack without being actually there. So imagine, having a different racetrack layout set up just for you. You can pick that one. If you have the physical space, then you can pretty much go and experience any track in the world from a single location. So that's one of the use cases, quite unique, quite different. But of course, BMW is thinking about other ways on how to enhance this for future use. For now, this is called mixed reality. It's basically based on reality and virtual reality. And that's why the whole mixed thing. So, cool name. So once again, BMW M2 Mixed Reality. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.